Operation Dudula bans Zimbabweans and other foreigners from South Africa tax ranks. Sana mina mashoko atakuona kuti Operation Dudula panguva ino tichitanga kunzwa like yesterday we've published a video tichiona kuti aiwa vaibloka foreigners from seeking medical treatment. Right now takuona kuti they are now blocking again foreigners from South Africa tax ranks. When we subscribe or like on the bell icon, even on the news bite, Operation Dudula in South Africa is allegedly demanding that Zimbabweans and other foreign nationals be prohibited from using public taxi and ranks. The group alleges that foreigners are causing overcrowding, long queues, and a shortage of taxi for South African citizens, leading to major delays. Operation Dudula argues that taxi ranks were built with the South African tax money. Therefore, foreigners should not be allowed to use them. Ndio mamiro zvakaita South Africa panguva ino. Mashoko arikubuda panguva ino kunyanya kunzi South Africa chaos yavemo aiwa yanyanyisa. And panguva ino we do not know kuti zvichapera musha here or they are going to curb it. Pena comment section medu mbotudza mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa pena comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.